Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on multiplying algebraic terms, part 2. This video follows on from the previous lesson, where we are now going to use a shortened method to multiply algebraic terms. The following rule is very helpful. When multiplying two or more terms together that have the same base, just add the powers. Any leading terms can be multiplied together in the normal manner. Now let's have a look at some examples. The first one is m squared times m cubed. So you can see that the base in each case is m. These are the powers. Because the bases are the same, the answer is m to the power of 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. Example 2, we see that in each case the base is k, so they're all similar. The powers are 2, 4 and 3, so you add those three powers together and you get k to the power of 9. For the third example, if we follow the rule here, 2 times 3 is 6, because it says any leading terms can be multiplied together in the normal manner. So 2 times 3 is 6. Y to the fourth times y to the power of 3 is y to the power of 7. So that's the answer. Over here we have a look at w squared and w to the power of 6. So they have the same base. So that gives you w to the power of 8, because 2 plus 6 is 8. With k you have k to the power of 3 and k to the power of 4. Each base is the same, so 3 plus 4 is 7. So that's the answer. In a similar manner, let's look at h squared times h to the power of 4 is h to the power of 6. M to the power of 4 times m to the power of 7 is m to the power of 11. And y cubed times y to the power of 6 is y to the power of 9. And that's why that's the answer. 6 times 5 is 30. M to the power of 4 times m squared is m to the power of 6. Y squared times y to the power of 4 is y to the power of 6. And k cubed times k to the power of 6 is k to the power of 9. So there's our answer. 3 times 4 times 5 times 2 is 120. A squared by a to the power of 5 by a is a to the power of 8, because 2 plus 5 plus 1 is 8. B cubed times b to the fourth times b is b to the power of 8. C to the power of 5 times c to the power of 4 times c is c to the power of 10. And that's the answer. When we multiply those four terms together, when we multiply the leading terms together, that is the numbers, we get 120. A by a is a cubed. B times b times b is b cubed. C times c times c is c cubed. And d times d times d is d cubed. So that's the answer. So this video has looked at a very shortened method for multiplying algebraic terms together. So you multiply the leading terms together, and then you carry on and look for the bases that are similar, and then you add those powers together.